Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by picking a compact LED module and a power method like micro USB. You want reliable light that won't overheat. Once chosen, sketch the shape you'll cut for the diffuser. Initials, a silhouette, or an inside joke icon work well. Measure and mark a 3-4 inch width so the lamp fits a nightstand. Then gather tools: hot glue for assembly, a craft knife for precision, and sandpaper to smooth edges. Set them within reach so you can move straight into cutting. Cut the frosted acrylic or plastic to your trace shape, keeping steady pressure and filing edges for a clean finish. Once the piece fits the base, mount the LED module and temporarily power it to test brightness. If it's too harsh, add 1 or 2 layers of diffusion paper to soften the glow. Align the diffuser over the LED and secure with hot glue, making sure wires route neatly to the micro USB port. This keeps the final piece tidy and easy to plug in. Finish by personalizing. Apply paint, vinyl decals, or an engraved message, then seal with a clear coat so it survives handling. Once decorated, run the nightlight for 30 minutes to confirm there's no excessive heat and that the base sits stable on a nightstand. If you see flicker or intermittent power, first reseat the wiring and swap the USB cable. If parts loosen, secure them with epoxy. Make sure everything is cool before gifting, and include a short care note for the friend.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.